Oh, what are you doing?
Part 2 of Buffalo Wild Wings.
Did it stop? Did it get proud of you? Did it get proud of you?
It just stopped. I started it right after it stopped.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, it just got proud of you.
Wait. Mukbang part 2. The British Broadcasting Channel brings you this episode of Mukbang. I don't know where it went, honestly. It was here. No, this was yours. Well, I know, but I don't know where yours actually is.
Mine just got a little ranch on it, you know?
What did he say?
They asked why Jordan was eating with a knife. He's asking why Jordan was eating with a knife.
What kind of wings do you like?
Mild and honey barbecue.
Excuse me.
No. Thank you.
Wait.
Dude, why would he not let go of him? Dude, he was like hanging on to his bullet on him.
I'm gonna watch that. I'm gonna see what he's doing. I didn't pay attention to this too much. Good thing we're over documenting everything that happened to him.
So, when they have to Tristan string. And you said he was right behind you.
Hasn't been like to finish his drink. He left.
He can take his stuff. You can have his stuff if you want.
Is it still cooked?
Perfect bite.
I don't think he didn't want it. He went bye-bye. You can have it.
So we got a good length here. Good length. Good width. It's got it's kind of squishy. I mean, it's got good texture. It's a little bit sticky, as you can see.
God.
Overall, very good piece of chicken.
No ranch? Just raw belly back.
What a waste. No, you just put it in.
Drink some. You need some ranch. Drink some. You forgot his ranch, you needed some.
Oh my gosh.
He does not want to
Drink for the sweet tea. Drink the sweet tea. It would ask for a refill.
I was wondering. You never liked it. I just wanted to sip.
Oh, you ate all that ranch, bro. How can you do this all my food?
What do you want to do? I said, thank you, sir. I'm very parched.
I didn't keep the cup.
Better let you done.
Well, you know what, guys? Almost cleaned my plate. Ate all 10 wings.
What?
That ranch all over my meat.
I had that problem.
What are you doing?
Trying to get all the ranch you can. Dude, his main meal was ranch. He had a side of wings and fries.
Large. Like that. Are we fixing the volcano or no?
The volcano, what's that? We just put everything in one spot?
Yeah. Alright.
Did you be any louder, Jackson?
Don't test it. Don't test it.
Yeah, dude. Right? Right with the diabetes. Like one of the worst moments. Hey!
Somebody get off.
Shut up.
Somebody get off. Ow. On the thing on the wall. Oh. Let me go look.
Slow. Okay, you can get off up there. Maybe my shirt you can learn.
You got a ranch? You got a range?
Here's his Jackson.
Not on my mukbang.
Look. Jackson.
They look used.
Daryl, stop. 2 songs for a dollar. 2 songs for a dollar.
15 songs for $5. So can you get one for 50 cents?
We have to buy those 2. Go buy one. I ain't got $2.
Please slut me out. Slut me out.
Wait, I might have won. Not on my mukbang.
They take cash? This takes bus. bro. So look. Look at what?
Like some music.
Adrian, go like this. Like, lift up your upper body.
I don't want to go, man.
Like, you do that.
Go.
Alright. Oh my god.
He has a base. Are you a main character or not?
Alright. Tristan actually disappeared.
Gentlemen, get him out of here. Thank you for the 15 gifted.
I'm about to pull a drum right here.
Tristan actually, like, dipped. Where did he go?
Drum around. That's the way to do it. I'll clap for it.
We're still mukbanging.
I'm about to pull a drum around on this mukbang.
Tell him to jump 10 times as fast as you can and as high as you can. I'm gonna say it.
Extra tip.
I'm not paying him nothing.
It's very rude.
He's very weird with that diabetes talk all the time.
What's diabetes?
Family. Damn.
Like, here's a tip for diabetes, 25 cents. I know these volcanoes won't help much, but... Oh, God. Is that
It's oozing.
It's great.
She's squirt. Squirt. Squirt.
Jack,
I was gonna want to do that. Mom like doing a fish stuff and shit like something. Like, Mama, it's big down here.
Girl, I'm cool. I know, it stinks over here. You're like, yeah.
Same with you, Tammy.
She goes, yeah, I know it stinks here. No, Mama, it doesn't stink over there. It stinks right here, though.
I had a little surprise underneath.
What,
We're
girl?
still rolling.
Well,
Big orbs. Big orbs.
Adrian, I saw rain.
Two more.
Ask for 2 more, please, please, please.
Do it every time.
It's like, can I get 2 more rain? It actually looks like you do that.
This is the best thing, man. I don't do that.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah, tell him. So your mom just texted you and told you didn't have enough money to pay.
What?
Tell him your mom just texted you and said you don't have enough money to pay.
What?
Say you don't have enough money to pay.
Why?
While you're eating. While you're eating, say it. Be like, just take a bite.
Gosh dang it. I forgot my wallet.
Have a bite in your fork when it's eating. Like, that's not bad. And you keep eating.
I'm just gonna get up and walk out here in a second.
Down to death.
But don't dash, just slow walk.
Oh, I'm not walking.
He's taking a runner.
Oh my god.
Nothing in there.
We fill the whole tray of water. It's like up to here.
Gotta show the mukbang, y'all.
Man, LSU's on top.
You blow it.
I don't know.
You gotta make it.
But y'all hold
Yeah.
the paper. Over 4 to a third left.
Oh, that's different.
LSU is
Bro,
winning.
just walk by his nose and everything like this.
I could really use 10 more wings. No.
Horrible service.
What are you?
Awful service. I put eye contact with him, dude.
Yeah, we're great for our sponsors. Have you ever wanted to be controlled?
Yo, why is it orange?
You were granted all the control when you have 5 million power in Warpath.
Look at my
You know why our
sponsors.
tower's is big? Because we got 5 million power in Rise of Kingdom.
Do you feel the beat? Join Beatstorm.
Do these simple surveys for some easy cash.
Dude, I saw this one ad. It was like, you need 10 million power to.
What? That was not funny. That was not. You need 10 million power to poop.
Curtis, you can't beat you, right? Actually, I can do whatever I want. I have 10 million power to make money.
You need 10 million power to poop.
Dude, that's literally what it was.
Why are all your fries stuck together?
We got
Yeah, it's a little secret ingredient.
Dude, I'm thirsty.
There's always chicken flavor.
Hey, put better. Let's get out of here.
Oh, we just go sit outside while we wait for our parents to leave?
Everyone, let's go sit in y'all's car and just jam.
I don't think so.
You driving y'all home?
Mukbang, mukbang.
In the mukbang.